In a world where innovation shapes our future, there are no boundaries. At KYOCERA AVX, we've taken innovation to a new level. Introducing our thin-film microwave filters, built for cutting-edge applications. Our expertise in manufacturing of a tight tolerance capacitors and inductors let us introduce high-quality filters that meet the highest standards of performance. Well-proven thin film technology, high power in small size, repeatable electrical performance over operating temperature at any given frequency. In our partnership with KYOCERA, AVX enjoy access to the highest quality raw materials, and when precision meets quality, the possibilities are limitless. Our commitment to excellence extends to quick customization on demand, ensuring your specific needs are met with precision and speed. At KYOCERA AVX, we've elevated innovation to new heights with our thin-film microwave filters. From precision engineering to rapid customization, we're your partners in limitless excellence. KYOCERA AVX, the future is now.